Is this the coolest car you've ever seen?
Yes!
Why? What makes this car so cool? It kind of looks very ordinary to me. What the hell? Did that thing just move? It's moving by itself? You gotta be kidding me. It's actually moving by itself. But where's the driver? Don't tell me it can even... What's it doing? I don't get it. What's happening? Why is the car moving by itself?
I don't know.
There's nobody in there.
I don't know.
I don't get it. This is kind of freaking me out. Oh my god. Wait, the thing is in park.
Oh my gosh.
Is it gonna move move forward? What's going on? I don't get
What
it.
is gonna happen?
Wow, this is too creepy. Hey, wait a minute. What are you doing? Are you the one driving this car? This is your remote control car? How cool is that?